Hi there. Welcome back, Kenzie again. I'm glad you're here with me. So we were completely out of groceries, and I decided to go buy groceries that day. So I was writing a list. These days I've been very consistent with these lists. I'm trying to do better because I've been spending too much money. I've been wasting money the past few years. So now I decided that from now on I write lists, and they help. They help in terms of savings, and also when I'm in the store, I'm not all over the place, you know, taking things that I don't need. But anyway, I said, let me write this list and run to the store and grab some things because we were completely out. So as I was preparing myself to go to the store, I realized, or I remembered, that the fridge looks like this. And then I said, let me just clean it, not wash it, not thoroughly wash it, just wipe it, because I didn't want to bring groceries and the fridge looks like this, because I was going to be tired after grocery shopping. So there was not, I wasn't going to be able to clean it. But it looks better. It looks bad, and I know I deserve to be judged. I'm glad my mom doesn't watch these videos because she was definitely gonna judge me. But anyway, it is what it is. So I wiped it, and it I wiped it just for it to look decent before coming back with groceries. That thing in there is mold. It's mold. It's labna that has been sitting in the fridge for long, and it's gone bad. Now I need to do better, but it's okay. things are expensive. I spent, how much did I spend? I spent 90.8 Omani riyals on these things. And that's excluding vegetables, because vegetables are not in this. Okay, I see. Let me just talk. Vegetables are not included here. I still have to go to the market for those. But I find that things have gone so crazy expensive. And on this 90.8 riyals, Omani riyals, that's like 4,500 roughly, excluding vegetables. Plus, I have to allocate about 30 riyals for weekly top-ups. Because there's a lot of things that didn't make it into this list. Oh, that's meat from Australia. That's lamb. If I can't find South African meat, red meat, I go for Australian meat if I can find it. So it's because I find meat from other countries sometimes it has that fresh smell, that fresh meaty smell. Shh, can I finish here? It has that fresh meaty smell. Oh, that's 8 full chickens. I asked them to cut them into 8 pieces each chicken. So each packet contains 2 chickens, 1,100 grams. Yes, 1,100 grams per chicken. So it's a pack of 2, and I just asked them to cut all the chickens into each chicken into 8 pieces, and then it's easier for me to cook when I get home. I separate them into I put them into small plastic bags, and then I have freezer bags, and then I put them in the freezer. When I cook, I don't have to start from scratch chopping. That's also beef. That's Australian beef, sirloin steak. Yeah, because I want to go to the beach and have a braai there one of the weekends. That's why I bought that. Red meat is expensive here, to be honest with you. But it is what it is. The prices are high. What can we do? We have to eat.
Mommy, can you finish that, Mommy?
Wait, Dudu. Lie down, lie down. Lie down. Lie down. I got you.
Thank you, Mommy.
No, brush your teeth.